Right, so I'm just going to do a very quick video just on these centre caps. So obviously you see these wheels need refurbishing. All of this here, the silver's come off. So they're going to need refurbishing. So if you've got the tool to turn it, you can use that. I have got the tool, but it's over there, I won't bother for now. So basically you just twist it, pull it off. The way the lock mechanism works is that spins round and pushes them out, which hooks in there. Little bend in that on there, but it doesn't affect it. So now I'm just going to quickly show you how you take one of these apart. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm sure there'll be some people out there who would like to know. So what you have to do is, first of all, you want to make sure, I find it easier if this is twisted to here, so to its lock position. And then what you want to do is get something. I've been using these pliers, and give me 1 second. Right, so what you want to do, what I do, is basically lever it out until it pops up like that. You had it pop. Probably use a screwdriver for it. So yeah, lever that out till that pops off. You can see that this is held on by these little lips just here. So there's one there, one there, and one there. And those little lips, so that is now off, they pop over this little lip here. It's on the main centre cap. So obviously when you've got that off, also when you put this back together, it is worth noting that you have to make sure that hole goes over that little pin like that. If you play it around, it won't seat properly. So then you've got this left now. And so these are original BBS badges. Obviously this outer nut needs spraying because it's all gone. The badges themselves aren't in good nick either. So what I did with that was, again, you could use a screwdriver or something similar. If I can hold this. And what you do is you just push in and down on those little tabs, and then the badge comes out. And again, the badge just has in place of 3 tiny little levers. So that's how you replace those BBS badges, and you're left with all the pieces. So this bit can now, see some of the silver paint in there, this can now be painted. So the wheels can be painted, and this can be painted as well. This is metal. So yeah, that's just how you take apart one of those BBS centre caps off of, these are E30 or VW Golf wheels. They're on my Golf, but they're the same on the E30, I believe. To be honest, most of the BBS caps are probably the same, so I imagine it's a similar process no matter which ones you do. So there you go, sorry about dropping the phone, but that is how you take apart a BBS centre cap.